We are going to unbox this chair for Jamario Reacts channel.
What's up, y'all? As y'all can see, it's your boy Jamario Reacts. Jamario Reacts is under construction right now. I'm finna go ahead. I'm finna change my whole little setting around real quick. I got the chair, you feel me? Thanks to my mama, I got a chair. And then I'm finna put on some lights and stuff behind where you can see like different colors is gonna be showing. Well, it's mostly gonna be showing my favorite color, which is green. But we finna set up this chair, y'all, so let's get right to it. I don't know how to set up no chair. I need some help, so come on. So these is all the pieces. It's telling me that I gotta use this first. Gotta take this one first. Of course, this the bottom piece. And then I gotta add on the wheels. So let me add on these wheels. Here go the wheels right here. As y'all can see.
That look like picture number 2.
So let me add on these wheels.
Picture number 1 saying.
Picture number 1 just showing this. Picture number 2 is showing this with the wheels on it. And then you add this on it. But let me throw on the wheels first. Will you just twist it on?
You gotta push it down, I think. He's building a chair.
Oh, that's it. Oh, it just go. Oh, this easy for real. Just slide in there.
Yeah, they're easy to put together.
Oh, okay. I thought I was gonna need some help, y'all. I thought I was gonna need some help. All right. Bam. Just like that. Rolling already. Yeah, they see that. All right, what we got next? Step 2 is say this. So let's go up
Make
now.
sure you got it going into it the right way.
I go like that. That's step 2. Step 3 is showing this. This is the part that helps you scoot it up or scoot it down. This might be the most difficult part too. It's showing the bolt for this part. Hold on. Bolt. Where I do it? Oh, here you go.
Now you should have got your little kit with screwdrivers.
Yeah, here you go, right here. Which bolt is it though? It's a bolt M and J. So M. Okay, I see it. And then J. Hey, how they? Oh, this go on the back of the seat though. Right.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta put this up.
That's your feet thing.
My knees is ashy.
It's on.
I know. Put this part up in there. I do it all, y'all. So if y'all need y'all a handyman, now y'all know who to call. I do it absolute all. I react to the video, I make the video, react to the video, and I build things. So they gotta hit that like button for me. They got to. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new too. Hit the like button, subscribe. I ain't seen nobody that do it all like me. You fast forwarding me? Make it look like I'm going real fast?
I have to do that when I edit.
That's what I'm saying.
If you want me to, if it's longer now.
Alright. So, now we got this part edited there, y'all. As y'all can see, that's the part where you scoot it up and scoot it down. But y'all gonna see that part. We're gonna get to that part later. I don't know how that goes. What's next? We on step 4. Put this on this. Got you. It look like you just dump it on there. That's what it looked like. Oh,
You just set it down there and it locks. You can't get it back out no more.
For real?
For real.
Is this the right way then?
Yeah, it's the right way.
Okay. You can get it back out. Hold on, do I need to set on it? Ah, there you go. Now you probably can't get it back. Yeah, you can't get it back out now. Once you sit on it.
I couldn't get Omara back out.
Once you sit on it, now you can't get it back out. All right.
So I was going to try taking it back apart to carry it.
Hey, this chair feel comfortable. Oh, shit.
You sitting on the backwards.
What's this backwards part for?
That's for your legs.
For your legs?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The rest of your legs.
But why is it not facing the cushion part?
You
Like,
you turn it.
Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Come on, now. And then you can fold it back up. Come on, now, man. Ain't nobody. All right, what's next? Step 5. Add the back part. We need more screws, though. Gel, I, and L. I mean, gel. J, I, and L. So this is J. Okay. Where's the? Okay, here go the L.
You really can use the bolts.
L, and then the I. Is them rubber bands?
Now, them are bolts you're supposed to put on before you put the screw on to keep it from tearing through the stuff.
Okay. So now what you do is you take the L, connect it with the L, connect it with the I, and then the J. I need to see that to see. Let me see that. Part 5. And then you just screw it through there. Okay. I actually need somebody though to hold the seat up while I screw it in.
Okay.
Want to see how?
He went to go get help. Those are the arms, the back, the seat, the screws. He went to go get some help, y'all. He'll be right back.
Like that. Alright, is this the screw for this one? Yep. I'm trying to get the okay, I'm just making sure I get that there.
You never screw all the way. You screw a little bit.
Come. Lined up.
Where the thing go? That's it.
It's lined up.
No, it's not.
Oh, which way?
This is sitting way up there somewhere.
Like that?
Yeah. This one a little bit. This is how you're supposed to screw stuff in.
Teach the people.
A little bit at a time.
Nah, she teaching you, bro.
I taught them the last time when I was putting the chair together. I was telling them that you don't put all the screws all the way in at one time. I don't want to screw that. You put them in a little bit at a time. That's right. Now keep it down like that, please. Put this on here. Get this on here.
She thinks she doing some shit, I realize.
What?
That's not gonna stay up in there. That's not how you need to go. That's not how it's showing it go. That's not how. Why would that stay up in there, man? That go on the top, like how I had it.
Oh, it go in between right there, one.
Yeah, maybe that, but it don't go at the bottom. It's gonna drop right through. I already knew that. I didn't want you to see it.
Just push down on it.
Like this. Watch this part. Watch this part, y'all. Watch this part. Show this part.
Okay, go.
That was gonna happen. I think that's good. That's how I have to show this part.
So wrong screws?
What it is this how you gotta do it like how I told y'all you gotta do it, but y'all don't listen to the light skinned kid. Give me the screw.
I got it. I know how to do
Oh
it.
shit, now she got it again.
I got it. Yep, I'll figure it out. Then you gotta do it that. Don't screw it all the way real tight.
Alright.
I taught you well.
I don't know who she talking about. She didn't teach me anything wrong.
That's good.
I ain't even done
It
screwing.
is. It ain't supposed to be all the way done yet. You're supposed to do the next one. You tighten them all up once you get them all in place.
You learn something new every day, guys. Come on, next one. I thought it was broke at first. So back.
You say send back, huh?
Okay, now you can start tightening them up.
They is tight. I ain't gonna lie to you. This one ain't going on the tight. There we go. There we go. Set it up. That's tight as you gonna get. That's
I don't
tight.
know if this is supposed to come off or what, but it's
It ain't nothing major, man. Move. So I can set this up. You can start recording. Hey, forgot to record me, y'all. I'm putting in all this work for nothing.
You barely know what you're doing. Cool down.
give me one of these shoes. Just cause they cool like that.
Who raised her?
Who is that? It wasn't me.
They cool like that. Gotta get me one. So you put that through there.
I'm not a regular YouTuber anymore, guys. I'm big time now. trade subscribers. You throwing stuff out?
Who knew fixing the check could get violent?
That's how you know it's 30, guys.
Got it on.
You gotta line this up perfectly. There we go. Oh, that's the wrong what's in there. I'm sure like I ain't even moving it.
You gotta keep your screwdrivers in case you ever have to tighten them up again. Because you know the screws start coming loose and you have to tighten them up.
This shit was actually pretty easy to put together. I didn't even have to watch a YouTube video to put this shit together, y'all. I just did it on my own. If you want something in life, go after it. Just do it on your own. If you want something done, you gotta do it yourself. That's my message to y'all. And looks like we're out after this.
See, you looking for stuff, you ain't even ready.
Alright, coming to an end, y'all. So this part go around.
At the bottom for your back,
Yeah, and then this one go at the top.
for your head.
So we're gonna do the top first. Get that out the way.
I ain't go through that thing. I'm fastening. I had
Oh,
fastened.
fast.
It goes through the little hole.
No, it don't. It actually don't. Take a look. There you go. Bang.
Yes, it do.
No, it don't. Exactly. You want it to go like that. And anyways, give me the paper. Make sure this side going.
It depends on where you want your neck to be at.
Jamario Reacts is under construction. You can still record when I put up these lights too, so you won't have enough footage. I just told you Jamario Reacts is under construction. I ain't gonna keep telling y'all that. They've been looking for me. They said I'm missing and whatnot. I ain't missing. I'm just under construction. They can't go like that.
Nah, you want me to show you? They'll get it right eventually, y'all.
I'm finna watch a YouTube video and see how you do this.
Explode. YouTube within YouTube. That's how we do that.
Y'all so slow. Y'all so slow. Y'all so slow. Ha! I figured it out. Now you do it out. This go between here. Oh, okay. Now you talking to me.
I know something's supposed to go in
What?
between
Now
there.
you talking to me. Y'all so slow. Yeah, shorty. And then you can slide it. You can move it down. Look, he still ain't got it.
Oh no, he still ain't got it. You a fool.
And then you can move it down. Tuck it down some more. Like that. There you go.
Okay, get back. Get back. Let's show the chill.
Show the chill.
It's crooked and out.
What's not saying it? What?
Your pillows.
Oh, it don't matter.
He said it don't matter if it's lopsided.
Once I tuck it, it'll be straight. Once I tuck it, it'll be straight. It don't matter. Because once I tuck it, it'll be straight. Hold on, give me a 360, baby. Give me a 360.
Go ahead and sit in it. Get comfortable.
Okay.
Alright, so now let me show you how it works. This was one more button I need to put on.
The chain here.
This is one more button.
But what these other screws go to?
Them extra screws. Mind your business.
They don't give you extra.
Them extra screws. Mind your business. No, them is extra screws though. Because they ain't even got it on here.
I seen there wasn't on there. Okay.
Well, I can't get this last button on there. But look, let me show you how this works. So first of all, make it go up. That make it go up. See, now you're sitting up high. You can go back, you can lean back, you feel me? Hold on, let me speed up something so I can really shit out. Because you can really lean with it, rock with it. So you lean back, you feel me?
Feet
Then,
up.
Oh, it can stay back too. And
You learn something new every day.
These niggas stay back.
and then, you feel me, you just flip this part like this, bam! Reaction videos. Fall asleep while doing it. If I fall asleep making a video, y'all, I'm sorry. The chair is comfortable, you know. This is not a promotion deal. They is not paying me to say this. The chair is comfortable. So if I fall asleep making a video, you know, that's real life, you know. And then you can scoot it down to your level. Hold on. Ooh, you ain't
Ooh.
you ain't know I had hydraulics, did you?
About
You ain't know I had hydraulics. Then when you really want to work and really want to be professional with it, you know, you can just tuck the chair back like that, and you can really sit up. Hold on, come up closer. Which one is it? It's a handle. It's this one. Put the handle back up, sit up, and do your thing.
Okay.
Do your thing. So yeah, you can spin around. If you want to start off your videos like this, you can, you know, or if you just want to start off like this. Hold on, I almost fell. But yeah, y'all know what it is. Let me, I like to sit up high, so let me put it back high. And I like to have my feet kicked up, so this how I'm gonna be a lot of the time. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But until then, I'll see y'all in the next video, I guess. Oh, I'm supposed to be showing y'all I was gonna put up some of my lights too.
Right. I was going to say what happened to the lights.
So look, you was just having too much fun with the chair. But yeah, it's a nice chair though. Okay, so that's the chill part.
And tell them that's your reward for accomplishing things.
For sure. They know we on the road to 5K subscribers, then 10K. Yep. So now we got the lights I'm finna set up, y'all. Dramario Reacts is really under construction. You gotta do everything yourself. I got some tape too, but let me just plug this in real quick, just to show y'all.
You don't need no tape.
Right, it
There's
sticks.
tape on
Oh,
it.
it sticks?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it sticks on its own.
Okay. Well, that's something new every day, y'all.
Break something new every day, y'all.
Connect this, I'm guessing, yeah. Electricity. Okay. So, they telling me it sticks on its own. I gotta get
It's the thing right there, behind
The
you.
plug right there.
And one all the way behind the chair.
I need a cube box. Move out my way.
Cube box.
This. Alright, come on.
This shit came with one of those.
I just want behind me. Oh, snap the camera.
Yeah, that happens.
It's a controller. You just need battery?
Nah. Should have something if I'm mistaken.
It don't come on.
No, it's how you put the thing in. Sometimes you put that thing in wrong. You gotta turn it the other way.
Hold on, you guys. My brother is teaching me something.
Told you.
Ooh. Y'all see that? Alright, let me turn it off real quick. Oh.
You might be changing color.
But David.
There we go. So this is just stick. This is crazy, y'all.
Now you have to be careful when you put it up, because once the stick is there,
I know. Okay. But this one, okay. This is one. Is it sticky? Are you gonna stick? Or you gonna play get? It's not sticking. This ain't the sticky wall. It's supposed to stick, right?
Yeah.
Hold on.
sometimes they tell you to wash the area first so it can be clean to help it to stick.
No, it's like it's not sticky at all because it's like the thing stuck to the thing. I took off the whole thing. I probably just took off. It's 2 layers on there. I didn't know it was 2 layers. The sticky part is on back of the stick it back on there. But it's like it's.
Found the sticky part. What you playing with over there?
It's gonna stick to the wall. That part stuck. That's because that's on the back of. That's where the tape at. That's what I'm trying to get to. Take that off. That's what I need. This part. Damn. How are you making stuff so difficult?
Is they making it difficult, or you just don't take your
Thank you, this
time?
your one, bro. Cause mine ain't had no errors.
It's so sticky.
You see, guys, you're learning something
You
here.
record?
Of course.
You see me with the recorder.
You're learning that there's 2 layers here. Try to squeeze that out.
What bro say you record?
I don't pull it out. You pulling it even more.
No, but I'm trying to line it up.
First.
I'm just trying to line it up.
Yeah, that happens too. That's what we was trying to tell you. You have to be careful with that.
The line definitely crooked.
It don't really look like it that much. It ain't that noticeable.
Or is the wall crooked?
Mm-hmm. That too. We'll put it on the wall.
No, I'm gonna put it on something. So let me just tear that part off. And then plug that up like that. Oh wait, maybe. Small piece of hair. turn it green completely. And there we go. Okay, the chair. Bam. Mario reacts. I'm gonna have another one going that way because I got another one over there. But yeah. So this is the end of this video. The end of the video, but it's the beginning of something new, as y'all can see. And if y'all don't know, yes, your boy's favorite color is green. So if y'all want to give me anything, just make sure it's green, you know, like money.
So next you gotta get you a post office box so they can send you stuff.
Yeah, if you want to send me anything, just make sure it's green, and I would gladly accept it. It could be a green shirt, green shoes, green phone case, green iPhone, green computer. Could be another green chair. But yeah, y'all. Let me turn this out. Well, we got blue. We can change it to. Let me change to blue. Blue. Then we have a lighter blue. Y'all like that? We got red. Demon time. But we gonna go back to the green of the godly over here. Yeah. So if y'all enjoyed this video with your boy Jamario, Jamario Reacts, aka only Jamario, subscribe. You know, hit the like button. Why not? And hopefully this video is long enough and entertaining enough, and that you guys keep coming back for more great content. You know, this is all genuine. Just let me know when to stop talking. I'm gonna stop talking.
We thought you could go on forever.
I can. You know, I talk to my people. I talk to the people. You know.
That's great.
I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
We are going to unbox this chair for Jamario Reacts channel. Okay, y'all. This here is the box and the chair.